Senator Muma has done a very good.
It for a minute.
Yeah, you have a minute.
Sit for a minute. Okay.
What is the problem with you people? I just ignore you. Mr. Speaker, so Senator Muma, as you have rightly ruled, has enriched debate and then introduced the provisions of the jailer committee to the bill that we are debating. In which case then, are we doing that reading in second reading? Senator Cheragay, you read your standing orders. I'm on a point of order. Standing orders. I'm on a point of order. How can you be another point of order? So you mean you can rise on a point of order on a point of clarification? People think.
Senator Wambua.
People think.
Senator Wambua, stop engaging other members. Okay. Stop engaging them. What is your point of order, Senator Cheragay?
Mr. Speaker, you know this house is a house of rules. Understanding order number 97. Senator Wambua had contributed to this matter. So even the standing orders ourselves should guide us. Why would he want to speak to the same matter? Mr. Speaker, the standing order. Mr. Speaker, speaking twice. Debating. Mr. Speaker, can you kindly listen to me? Understanding order 97. No senator shall speak more than once to a question except in the committee of the whole. Senator Wambua should have waited until we are in the committee of the whole, Mr. Speaker.
He was seeking clarification.
No, Mr. Speaker, it doesn't happen. It says you cannot in this standing order 97.
Standing order number 1 to give him that opportunity. Also, I thought the House can benefit from whatever clarification.
But you can introduce in the committee of the whole, Mr. Speaker.
And also the chair is not here to ngagi members.
No.
That is not one of my duties.
But why is it?
Senator Roba, you know, let us hear what you have, because you are also today making some noise. Let us hear what you have in your mind.
Thank you, Speaker.